everyone. My name is Akriti Kushwaha.
My name is Sarthak Khandelwal.
My name is Pulasya Tarafdar.
My name is Paras Bhardwaj.
My name is Tarun Gupta.
At first, I was very scared and nervous because I only thought that how will I be able to crack the interviews, the group discussions, but I learned a lot through the entire process and throughout the journey.
The journey has been full of ups and downs and adventures and learnings. Starting from the classroom learning here at UBS, continuing towards the experiential learning and participation in many events like UBS MUN and LOLT, etc.
The placement process has been quite challenging throughout, as it is for every student. However, the diverse curriculum that UBS has provided with all the community learning, the mentor-mentee sessions, the skill development program helped me pull through and perform better in my interviews.
I got many insights and the deep knowledge of finance from experiential learning through Thomson Reuters Lab.
When the placement season started here, I, like every other student, felt excited and anxious. Excited because I got to sit in the placement, and anxious because I only have a one-year program.
A lot of factors helped me to succeed in the placement drive. For example, if I talk about the experiential learning that is done at UBS, where I participated in Try Business Championship, then the case study sessions, we taught us a lot how to deal with any situations and come up with the problems. Then we had a lot of events, then where we learned how to manage and learn the events and how to successfully accomplish our goals and targets.
It was a difficult decision for a marketing student like me to decide whether I would like to go for a finance company. But with the guidance and proper pathway shown by my faculties and UBS corporate relation teams, I decided I would like to go for a finance company.
I felt very depressed and thought that I have hit a roadblock in my life. That is when I thought to give up on my dream to achieve such amazing placement. But with the guidance of UBS team, I was able to overcome such challenges and bag the highest placement of college, that is 22 lakhs in a reputed company called Property Pistol.
Federal Bank was one of the best options that I got from the college, and after rigorous preparation and going through all the process of Federal Bank, I got selected, and today I am one of the students with the highest package in the marketing department.